kids, it's Teacher here. Let's talk math minutes. Today we will learn about a math concept in 5 minutes or less. So we're going to talk about color coding. Now, when you do a color code, it's a system for displaying information by using color. Now, in this particular exercise, we're actually color coding by shapes. You see the circle, the square, the rectangle, and the triangle, right? So this tells me that all of my shapes of circles should be what color? Did you say red? You're so smart. That's right. And my squares should be blue, and my rectangle should be green, and my triangle should be yellow. So if I follow my directions correctly, then I can know how many red circles and squares and all of that I have, right? So this is just a blank sheet, and I've got to color in all of my circles red. And I have done that on my sheet here already. You see, I've colored all my circles red. Now, how many circles do I have that are colored red? Even though they're different sizes, how many do you see? Let's count them together. 1, 2, and 3. That's right. So next thing I would do is take all of my blue crayons and color in my squares blue. That's right. But did you know we can also do color coding by numbers? We can. We can assign numbers to color coding. Now, I have a sheet here that is created just by me. I drew it myself. Yes, and you can do that too, okay? And as you can see, my sun, I have a rainbow and some clouds and even a flower. But look, I have colors assigned to them here too. For every number one I find on my sheet, I've got to color it. It says red, R-E-D spells red. So let me find my number ones and color them red. Do you see some number ones? Can you see them? There's a number one. It's got to be red. That's right. And all of my, oops, I didn't stay inside the lines. You stay inside the lines, boys and girls. All of my number twos, I've got to do yellow. There's my yellow crayon. And I've got to make my sun yellow. I've got to keep that rainbow ray of color yellow. And I can do that and keep going, because each of my numbers is assigned a particular color. And that's how we follow those directions. We can do it by, what did I say? By numbers, or we can do it by color. So I want you to do something. I want you to create your own picture, and I want you to assign numbers to it. Now, you can do a picture of an item, or you can do shapes and assign colors to those numbers or to those shapes. And then you're creating your very own color coding. Yeah, and when you do that, take pictures of your beautiful artwork and send it to me. And you can reach me at WKNO, teacher@gmail.com, and it comes directly to me. And I would love to see the kind of things you've created and the kind of things you've colored, okay? And you can do this with crayons, but you can do it with markers or paints or whatever you want to do. Color coding is very flexible, so you can do that, okay? Now, when you do that, make sure that you go to our resource page too, because there's lots more information about color coding, and not just color coding, but coding even for everything. So you can do that at pbslearningmedia.org. That's our resource page. All kinds of stuff there. It has stuff for kids, stuff for parents, stuff for teachers, videos, worksheets, all of that kind of stuff you can find there. And I also just want to say thank you for being here with me today. I just appreciate you, okay? And I want to say thank you to the International Paper Foundation for making our Math Minutes happen. So until next time, Teacher says bye-bye.